So I broke there on the F sharp, and it has to do with the C4, which is before. And by the way, I'm using the head voice, right? That's becoming head. When you're going up the scale, you're trying not to break. You are going into head voice. Head voice, all head voice is just less chest as you're going higher. You're getting lighter as you go higher, but you still have some of that chest. It's just less and less and less as you